Okay, I said I wasn't going to get attached to another house, and then this happened.
And I was like, whoa, sun is shining like
This kitchen, I would definitely cook more.
it's okay to let go. I feel
And this wonderful living room would make me want to host more gatherings.
used to think that I know. Every day I keep moving forward.
And with this balcony, morning coffee just got an upgrade.
Sun is shining like gold. I think
And the upstairs in these bedrooms, sleep is going to hit different.
I feel like whoa, life is good for my soul. Used to think that I know. Every day I keep
Yes, 13046 Cabin Creek, you're going to want this one.